before we get started, I just want to say if you saw this video, thank you for clicking on it. I know there's a lot of videos out there you could have chose from. I appreciate you stopping on this one. We're gonna be tearing down my YZ. I'm not building the engine in this video, so don't get too far ahead or your hopes up, anything like that. USPS just dropped off parts for the engine build though, so it will be coming soon. I wanted to wait until I got those parts in. Hopefully pretty soon here I'll knock out a new video, tear that engine down, get it rebuilt, and hopefully get it back in the bike soon, and we get to ride this thing. But until then, enjoy the video.
This is legacy approved. I had a vision before them folks had a clue. Thank God I still had ability when we didn't have a roof. I couldn't even think of stability, let alone had the tools to be making change, and it ain't that ancient a memory. Strange that I can't forget where I came, but don't know if they'll do the same and remember me till I'm painting a bigger picture, making some bigger figures. I can't get stuck in that lane, that's deep, it'll be delivered. Trust me.
I've been working in mercy, Lord, trusting my process of monies, looking for progress and pushing forward. Know I might fall while I'm running. I pick myself up sometimes and pay that pressure no mind. There's no way I can work this hard, and I know my time is coming.
Look, feet all on the pavement, but these dreams are so adjacent to this rut that I've been stuck in, begging Jesus, can you save him? And the mirror start to hate him, cause I really know he faking. What's the point of shots you taking when your purpose you evading? Unhealed scars, heart is made of gold, but I feel bronze. Should wash the dirt away for newest day, but it's still dawn. Talking to my peers to make it clear like who healed y'all. Was taking little baby steps at first, but I still crawl. Pain is deep inside, that's been something I feel more. I know I should be working, but these days I just chill more. Stuck in solitude in my residence, the truth is clear as evident. Boy, you know you haven't sinned, don't need no more evidence. You all outside your element, cause you got too arrogant. Your soul is in a deficit, boy, you know you delicate. Get back on your regiment, so pick yourself up. This was good for your development, and that's real.
I've been working in mercy, Lord, trusting my process of monies, looking for progress and pushing forward. Know I might fall while I'm running. I pick myself up sometimes and pay that pressure no mind. Cause ain't no way I can work this hard, and I know my time is coming. I've been working in mercy, Lord, trusting my process of monies, looking for progress and pushing forward. Know I might fall while I'm running. I pick myself up sometimes and pay that pressure no mind. Cause ain't no way I can work this hard, and I know my time is coming.